It's a hot day today, man. Whew. 19, I want to say 98-ish Honda Civic. It's got the 1.5 in there. It's 262,000 miles on it. And the complaint is air conditioning issues. I mean, it's 100 degrees out here today. It has a noise. And there's no air coming out. I'm pretty sure y'all know what it is. I mean, we know we're dealing with a blower motor. And I can about promise you it's just freewheeling. How it's freewheeling? You know, that's what we got to find out. That's something we don't know. Come with me, take a look, and we'll get that blower motor out and see exactly what's happening. Oh boy, we're in the trenches today. I think I got the right size socket. It's an 8mm. I don't know if you want to see what it sounds like from down below. I'll make it happen for y'all before we start pulling stuff out. Even though we heard what it sounded like up top, and we see what it sounds like from down here, because rarely are we ever in this area. This is a very simple replacement. I can make this into a 10-minute video. I got an 8mm. I have not priced parts for them, but I can promise you, like I was saying in the last video, I mean, AC is one of those things like, well, fix it. I told them to bring it tomorrow, but I was like, you know what? I don't want to get backed up and have people overlap. I'm gonna knock it out today. Get it out the way. Oh, I didn't plan on leaves, but I knew it was gonna be freewheeling. Oh wow, how though? I mean, it just broke in the center. That's weird. Yeah, it just broke right on up. What are the odds of that? I've seen a lot of stuff. I mean, there's no resistance unless some sort of leaf branch or something got in there and wedged itself in there. This is very dangerous. I'm gonna vacuum all this out when I get done. There's nothing in there. I don't know what the hell I might be grabbing or touching. Well, that was cake. Let's go grab a new one and get it popped back in reverse order. All right, let's get this plug back in and get these people their AC back. They can go on about their life and I can go on about mine. Tucked in the back there. All right, let's see what happens. There we go. Got some nice cold AC now. Let's get this panel back on and call the customer so I can get some money. Oh, that was a simple, easy replacement. No hassle. This is how a lot of jobs are. It's not worth really me documenting, but I thought it was gonna be something a little different. I mean, besides brake jobs, I still got a bunch of other AC jobs coming up. It's kind of really hard to dictate what you're gonna get. That's gonna be pretty interesting. I've done quite a bit to this vehicle. I had like a smidgen of an oil leak. I think that's something that can probably get taken care of, but I think that's just some residual oil there. But for the most part, it looks pretty dry. This is the vehicle I had to repair the door. It had some broken wires in the door jamb. I did document that. car had timing issues, had to fix that. So I've done quite a few things with this, and this is just something else. I mean, it's a Honda Civic. I mean, how hard can it be? All right, well, if I get anything else complicated, I mean, we saw a broken wheel for the blower motor. I mean, that was interesting. And some leaves, we got that. I'll definitely update. Hit that link, subscribe to the channel, stay informed, how to reach some more work, and I'll see you next one.